Hey, what do we have here? Well, that looks like a 1963 Toyota Land Cruiser. And if I'm not mistaken, that's a V8. 5.3 Chevy V8 engine in a 1963 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. It's got a 8,000-pound Warren winch, fog lights, LED headlights, blacked out logo. Belongs to a lady out of Texas. Her father started building it for her. He didn't quite complete the job, so it's very sentimental to her. She said, hey, Land Cruiser Restoration, could you please kick this up a notch? I want this to be a badass cruiser. I can cruise around town, maybe take it on the roads, the dirt roads down here in Texas. I want some sound in it. So how about marine grade speakers in the back? Marine grade speakers in the kick panels. Brand new instrument cluster. Came in as a bright yellow. She didn't like that color, and I don't blame her. She said, this is the green. This is the color I want. Can you guys please accommodate it? And we did. Rhino-lined the interior all the way through. Inside of the doors, floor pan, the rear. 6-point roll cage, built-in grab handles. Nice tires and wheels on it. Watch how easily this door closes. Done. We also added air conditioning. Not sure she's going to want to use it. Well, especially not in the summertime, not in Texas. But those early frosty mornings might be nice to have eat. Might gonna want some air conditioning. Completely rebuilt rear bumper with a nice license plate. Also has our sticker on it. Guys, if you like our videos, could you please take the time to hit the like and the share button? That would be greatly appreciated. So if you have an FJ40 or any Land Cruiser, you're looking to get a quality job done on it, don't hesitate. Give me a call, 316-992-5986, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.